meteorologist, Miss Katie Whittaker, with your official Red Hook High School and Mid-Hudson Valley forecast for the week of October 25th, 2021. If we take a look at the surface analysis map, you'll see that low pressure system hanging off towards our southeast, and that is going to be a big weather maker for your Tuesday. Expect some heavy rainfall today, maybe some breezy conditions, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. Quite the intense system. Moving off towards the west, a little bit of high pressure, and then behind that, a very intense low pressure system. And that actually brings me to the question of the week. The question of the week comes from Tom in Vero Beach, Florida. And Tom called in and asked, Miss Whittaker, what is bombogenesis? And that's a fantastic question. It's actually one of my favorite weather phenomena. This is zoomed in on the low pressure system off the coast of California. It does happen off the coast of New York as well on the eastern seaboard. In this case, what happens, and actually in all cases what happens, is the low intensifies very quickly. The pressure drops 24 millibars in 24 hours, showing a rapidly intensifying storm. That can mean heavy precipitation, sometimes in the form of rain, sometimes in the form of snow, and high winds. When we see bombogenesis in this area, especially in the wintertime, it could be an indication of things like thunder snow. So very intense convection as it rapidly intensifies. Very similar to a hurricane, but hurricanes form over warm ocean waters, and these low pressure systems do not do that. So they are different, but you'll see some similar characteristics like these really compressed isobars. All right, now let's bring it to that 5-day forecast. So again, for your Tuesday, look for rain throughout most of the day. We're looking for 1 to 2 inches. Again, it could be a bit on the breezy side. You can think of it as a free car wash. For Wednesday, you might have a lingering shower or two in the morning. Winds should be diminishing throughout the day, maybe a peak of afternoon sun or maybe a 2, high around 59. For Thursday, mostly sunny, high 58, low 36. For Friday, look for increasing clouds. Now this is ahead of that low pressure system that was off in California. It branches off a little bit. One of the low pressure systems intensifies off of it, and that's moving in, looks like, for Friday into Saturday morning. Could again be a little bit on the breezy side, but hopefully see some clearing later in your day on Saturday. And right now, as of now, for Halloween on Sunday, it looks like maybe an isolated shower or two, but should generally be dry. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's Weather with Whittaker, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next week.